Well, as most of you know, I don't have a workshop. I just use a room that's upstairs. So now I've decided to turn my back porch into a workshop, but it needs some serious remodeling. I'm going to put paneling up and a workbench, but the first thing I got to tackle, check this out, is the floor. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is the way to the basement. This floor is rotten as hell. So I'm going to have to replace all this floor, put up new paneling. The workbench is going to go here. It'll be a L-shaped. That bracket, that cabinet is going to go over there. That way I can get me a grinder and a vise, and it'll have the radio still in it. Replace this door. I'll probably replace it with I'm hoping with one with a shade in the window. That cabinet there that I did before, it's going to stay. That's built into the house. I don't know if I showed you this, but it's all been, I stripped all the paint off of it and just polyurethaned it, the drawers and the doors and everything. The ceiling's already up. Light's already up, so I don't mess with that. So all I gotta do is this freaking floor. This thing is trashed. So I guess I'll let you know how everything's gonna go. Let me show you what living in a house that probably umpteen dozen people have lived in. This thing has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers of freaking flooring, and it's all nailed, all in different places. What a freaking fun time this is gonna be. Boy, did I open up a big old can of worms. Big old can. That's just that corner. I'm already sweating. Well, here's the floor. After I filled in all the chinks, I've got some Luan down. I'm ready to start putting down the flooring. Still got to do that half. Boy, it was a job filling in all them holes. So, here it is. Now we'll see what it's like with the flooring down. Well, it's me again, back on my back porch. I'm not documenting this the way I wanted to, but I got the floor down. I ended up with laminate from Menards, just some cheapo stuff. Then I started working on this doorway. Had to cut it out. Cut out enough room to put this door in. I went 2 inches wider, 2.5 taller than the door. So now I'm getting ready to put in this door. And this is the door that I have chosen to put in. I don't know if we can get all this stuff out of the way. I've had to halfway move back here on the back porch. See, it's got panels all the way down. It's pine. I just ordered just a slab, no holes drilled, no nothing. Move this cabinet over. So I got to drill the holes, put on the hinges, and then hang the door. Then I can go from there. So here we go. And voila. Back it up so you can get it all in there. There it is. The door's in, handle's in. I'm getting ready to put a coat of poly on it. Now when I made my frame, I made the frame because I got like 6-inch walls. So I took 1x6s or 1x8s and cut them down. And then I set these at about a 1/4 inch bigger than the door. So I got it like an 1/8 inch, a little better than an 1/8 inch. And then the top, I cut this header. I cut them side ones too tall, but the trim will hide it. the bottom. I put a 1/2 inch at the bottom. So there, it's finally, that part's done. Now I got to insulate that. I'm going to put some pink wall board up and then put my walls up. But we'll see how that comes out. Another step, and I'm not sure how this is going to look, but see what I've done is I've taken that wall board, put it at the top and the bottom, and I'm going to put the paneling in between it. I don't know, it might look alright. See the top and the bottom, those are 5-inch boards. I put 2 of them up, and I'm still going to wait and see how that's going to look with that paneling sandwiched in between there like that. I don't think it'll look too bad. Well, now it's Christmas time, so this has got to be put on hold, but here's what it looks like with the paneling up. Got the mold, some of the molding up, but now I've got to put this project on hold so I can get the kids' Christmas started. And see, I put in new switches, new plates, new plugs, new plug. But actually that paneling matches that wall board, or those tongue and groove pieces there. Matches that pretty good, I think. But it didn't turn out bad. It sure has made it a lot warmer in here for the winter time. I still got to trim all that out. Door is done, ready to be the curtain hung there. But not bad. I mean, just like everything, it's got its flaws, but I minimized them. Now, let me show you what I have to work with for the Christmas presents. Okay, here's what I have to work with, and I'm not going to tell you what I'm making, but we got this big tube right here. Thanks to Big Bob's Carpets Flooring for this piece here, and Osborne's Georgia Carpet for this right here. You guys really got to check out their $5 bin. They got some decent carpet in there, and it's at $5. I'll take it. We've got some 2x4s. We've got some 2x3s. I'm gonna have to get some 2x8s, maybe, little pieces, 55 cents at Menards. Got this big dowel rod right here, and those 2 big long weather beaten 2x4s that I got from Dad's house. So I'll show you little bits and pieces, but see if you can guess what I'm gonna make. You'll never get it.